Good morning, everyone. Jeannie here, and welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday. So we're gonna head into CVS to check out the deals starting February 3rd through March 2nd. So you guys probably have noticed that I have not been posting a upcoming CVS deals video. You know, I needed to pick and choose the things that I was putting out because, you know, YouTube does take work and it does take time away from my family. That I could go ahead and just drop those videos because I find them repetitive. So if you watch the upcoming deals, you're watching the same thing in the in-store video. So I thought I would, you know, head and do CVS in-store and then a CVS haul, and then follow me on my new Instagram page. I have a new Instagram that's just coupons only, and I will be posting upcoming CVS deal breakdowns for you guys on that Instagram page. So go ahead and follow me there if you want to find breakdowns for upcoming deals a few days before the sales are going to take place. So definitely go follow me there. I'm going to be having tons of giveaways on that Instagram page, which I'm super excited about. So make sure you go and follow me there. As always, there's going to be a printable breakdown for you guys in the description box of this video. So let's just go ahead and get into it. And thank you everyone for entering the CVS gift card giveaway from last week. I will have the winner pinned in the comment section. So congratulations to the winner. For you guys, okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and start the deals off here in the cosmetic section. So Physicians Formula this week is on a spend 14 get 10. So usually it's spend 15 get 10, but now it's spend 14 get 10. And we still have those coupons, but this is gonna be an early activation deal if you wanna use the coupons. So the Physicians Formula, the Perfect Matcha 3-in-1 Cleansing Balm, this is very comparable to the Clinique Melt the Day Balm. I have gone through like 3 tubs of that and it is amazing. So it's priced for $14.99. You can use that 3 off 1 coupon from the 210 Smart Source, but remember, it expires on Saturday, so you have to use it before Saturday. And then if you have a 2 off 12 CRT for cosmetics, you could use that here. So if you have both of those coupons, you'll take $5 off. So you're at $9.99, and then you get the $10 extra care back, so it makes it free. So nice to get a freebie. So if you find something that is $14.99, between $14 and $14.99, then you can get it for free. So I'm seeing that this Insta Ready face primer, this is also priced for $14.99 as well. They're the only 2 products that I'm seeing that are $14.99. So great deal here at CVS. Joa. Okay, this whole entire time I've been saying this brand wrong. I've been saying Jue. It's Joa. So Joa Cosmetics is priced for spend 12, get $4 back in extra care bucks, and there's a ton of great things in the line. I tried the birthday suit eyeshadow palette, and it's good, but what I don't like about it is that it's pretty much all shimmers and there's only one matte transition color. So I found that the shimmers kind of all blended together, but I've only played around with it once. So I think I need a little bit more testing to give a full like review for you guys. So I'm still testing that out, but I'm seeing something else down here that has caught my eye. It is the Be My Everything cream contour palette, and it also has colored concealers too. So this is priced for $12.99. So if you have a 2 off 12 CRT, you could pair that here. So now you're down to $10.99. Then you get the $4 extra care buck back, making it $6.99. So not a bad deal. To try something else out from the Joa. Did I say that right? Okay, I seriously need to go back to this.
How to pronounce Joa.
Joa. Cosmetics. Joa Cosmetics. All right, you guys, so we have a freebie for some Lady Speed Stick and the regular Speed Stick. So they are $2.49, and you're gonna get $1 extra care buck when you buy 1, and you can do this up to 4 times. And we're getting 50% off 1 coupons coming in the Smart Source $2.24. So if you wanted just to go ahead and do 1 of these, they'll come out to 99 cents after extra care buck and coupon. But if you have that 2 off 2 CRT for 2 off 2 Lady Speed Stick or Speed Stick deodorants, then these are gonna be free when you buy 2. So great deal. Okay, you guys, so we have a deal on Nexus hair care this week. So when you buy 1, you're going to get a $4 extra care buck, but if you buy 2, you get $12. So Something that I would suggest you doing is going either for the hairsprays or like the dry texture sprays. So this is the Between Washes finishing spray. And then they have a dry shampoo foam as well. So they're priced for $14.99. So I would suggest you pick up 2 of those at $29.98. Now, if you have a CRT for 3 off 12 hair care, use it here. And then you're gonna get $14 back in extra care bucks. Now you're down to $12.98 or $6.49 each. Now, sometimes they do not include this Nexus conditioner right here, but if they do allow this, this is only priced for $11.99. So you could get 2 of them for $23.98. Use your 3 off 12 CRT for hair care, and then you get $14 back in extra care bucks, making it $6.98 for the both of them or $3.49 each. So if that one is included, then definitely snag that one because it's less expensive. But we're just gonna have to see what's tagged at CVS because sometimes they don't include these $11.99 conditioners. So we'll just have to wait and see. All right, you guys, so we have a deal on toothpaste, the Colgate Max Fresh or the 2-in-1s. These are priced for $3.99 and you're gonna get a $2.50 extra care buck when you buy 1, and we're getting 50-cent coupons coming in the Smart Source. So that makes this guy free. So I mentioned that I post early deals on my Instagram. So this was something that I posted early to let you guys know that we were getting freebie toothpaste, and then I posted about the deodorant too. So again, make sure you're following me on Instagram to make sure you're alerted of any other freebies, and I post other things too, like clearances and other deals that I stumble upon throughout the week that I don't necessarily feel like making a video for because, you know, I don't make a video on everything that I find. So if you want to be up to date with all of those savings, definitely follow me on Instagram. For you guys, so it is P&G week this week here at CVS. So there's a mix match of so many different items. So it's spend 20, get 5. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get into the deals. So the first thing you wanna pick up is a Crest toothpaste. They are priced for $2.99. Okay, you're also gonna wanna pick up 3 Pantene Pro V shampoos, conditioners. Sometimes they do the stylers and the leave-in 3-minute miracle too, so you have tons to choose from. So they are priced for 3 for $12. Okay, and then I want you to come over to the Tide section and pick up a 50-ounce Tide. So it's priced for $5.94. So your total is going to get to $20.93. So the coupons you want to use your 5 off 3 Pantene coupon that's coming in the P&G. Use your 2 off 1 coupon coming in the P&G for Tide. Then I want you to use the 2 off 1 coupon for the Crest. And then if you have a 3 off 12 hair care CRT, you're going to want to use it here. So you'll end up paying $8.93, get a $5 extra care buck back, making it $3.93 for everything that I mentioned. So for under $4, you're gonna get some Tide, 3 shampoos or conditioners, and toothpaste. Okay, so we have a deal on Gerber here at CVS. So Gerber formulas, also the Gerber baby foods, juices, the snacks, they are buy 40, get $10 back in extra care bucks. So just to give you guys some prices over here, so we have the tubs priced for $32.99, and then we have $5 printable coupons you can go ahead and use on the Gerber, and the 2-pack of Gerber foods are priced for $1.99, and we have printable $1 off 6 coupons on coupons.com. And then we also have the Gerber organic pouches, so these are priced for $1.89, and we have $1 back on 4 with the Gerber organic. So let's go ahead and pick up 4 of those Gerber organic pouches, and then let's pick up the Gerber formula. So we're at $40.55. So you'll use that $5 printable coupon for the Gerber formula, and then use that $1 off 4 organic Gerber coupon. So now you're down to $34.55. And then if you have a percentage off coupon, so I got this in the mail right here. It says take 25% off of your purchase. So I'm gonna save that and use that here. So I'll end up taking 25% off of that $34.55. And then you'll get back a $10 extra care buck back, making everything $24.55. So not a bad deal on some Gerber items here at CVS. And then if you have extra care bucks, roll it into this and it'll be even less. All right, you guys, so the Gold Emblem grocery products, these guys are buy 2, get 3 free. Also, organic apple cider vinegar. That's like all the rage right now. I would highly suggest you do it on coconut oil if this is something that you use, because we have printable $1 coupons at cvs.com/coupons, and you can use coupons on everything, even the free item right here. So this would be a way to save on some grocery items. They have some organic olive oil spray. There's olive oil. There's so many things that you could pick up in the grocery section. We have some salad dressing, we have some coconut flour, there's other baking stuff here, sugar, tons of stuff. So skip on the grocery section at your CVS. So I think these are all the deals that I have to share with you guys. No, there's more. There's more. Like this video right now if you're excited to see more of me, because we have some more deals to get into. Whoops. Okay, so the Kraft mac and cheese, these guys are priced 3 for $3 or $1 each, as well as the Bumblebee canned tuna. So the Bumblebee canned tuna, these are also priced 3 for $3 or $1 each when you buy 3. Okay, Easter candy has to be my favorite, even over Christmas candy. Easter candy is my absolute favorite. So we have a deal on Easter M&Ms. So the bagged M&Ms, they are priced 2 for $6, and you get $1 extra care buck back when you buy 2. So final cost is 2 for $5. And then look out for some coupons that are going to print from the bread machine, because normally they do. So just look out for those. And then now the last deal is going to be on Hershey and Cadbury. So bagged Hershey and Cadbury candies, these guys are priced for 3 for $8, and we're going to get a 2 off 3 instant coupon, making them 3 for $6. So now these are all the deals I'm going to share with you guys this week here at CVS. So we have a mixed match of so many different items. In terms of the P&G deals, I would definitely skip on the paper products because we only have 25% off coupons. So I don't think that it's that great of savings to go for the Bounty and Charmin, in my opinion. I would say wait until you get those $1 off ones. So have a fantastic weekend, and I will talk to you guys all later. Bye.